Kali's secret power to heal family karma, ancient Vedic science hidden in the mantras. Kali's secret to heal karma. Remove family negativity. Ancient mantra, modern healing. Energy blocked? Call Kali. Break the pattern, Kali's power. Are you ready to break free from negative patterns and family conflict? This video uncovers the ancient secrets of Kali, the divine force of transformation, and reveals how her power can heal family karma, break cycles of fear, and restore love and peace. In this video, the real meaning behind Kali's battle with Raktabīja. What does Kali's destruction of Raktabīja teach us about breaking toxic family habits? The science of Vedic sound frequencies, how chanting Kali's mantra can shift your energy, calm the mind, and heal family dynamics. Guided Kali mantra meditation, a transformative sadhana to clear negativity and invite love back into your home. Hidden energy science of the Vedas, how the Vedic texts offer an advanced understanding of sound and energy that can alter emotional and familial patterns. If you're ready to bring healing and peace into your life, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to explore more ancient wisdom and practices. Introduction. Welcome to a sacred journey, one that brings ancient Vedic wisdom into the heart of your home. This is not just a mantra practice, it is a healing transmission, a vibration that moves through space, body, and bloodline. If your family has been affected by fear, conflict, negativity, or a lack of love, this practice will speak to your soul. Today, we invoke the fierce and loving energy of Devi Kali, to clear the karmic debris and allow truth, peace, and harmony to grow again. The real meaning behind Kali's battle with Raktabīja. In the Devi Mahatmya, Kali faces the terrifying asura named Raktabīja. Every drop of his blood that hits the earth gives rise to another demon. He multiplies when attacked. This is not just mythology. It is a mirror of our lives. Raktabīja symbolizes recurring negative patterns, anger, blame, trauma, that pass through generations. Every time we react unconsciously, we give them new life. Kali's power lies in her wisdom. She drinks the blood, meaning she prevents reactivity, dissolves repetition, and brings final closure. This story is a metaphor for ending cycles in families that keep repeating until someone chooses awareness. The science of Vedic sound frequencies. Vedic mantras are not just chants, they are vibrational codes. The Bija mantra, Krim, used for Kali is fiery, electric. It activates the third eye, clears the lower chakras, and cuts energetic cords. When chanted with intention, it influences our brainwaves, calms the nervous system, and shifts the emotional frequency of a space. Scientific studies show that sound can alter water structure, plant growth, and even human DNA expression. The ancient rishis knew this. They encoded deep psychophysical insights into each syllable. Om Krim Kalikai Namaha is like a tuning fork. It resets the inner and outer field. Guided Kali mantra meditation to clear family negativity. Now we enter the heart of the practice. Close your eyes. Sit with a straight spine. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale peace, exhale tension. Visualize your home surrounded by a deep indigo flame, Kali's energy field. Now, gently repeat, Om Krim Kalikai Namaha. With each repetition, imagine Kali's sword cutting through one layer of conflict, of pain, of silence in the family. Visualize her third eye shining light into every room of your home. Let the mantra flow through you, not from you. Feel the energy shift, the atmosphere become lighter, softer, truer. Let this sound ripple into the hearts of your loved ones, even if they're far away. The hidden energy science of the Vedas. The Vedas and Puranas were never just stories or rituals. They were encoded sciences, ways to understand mind, energy, and nature in one thread. When we read about devas battling asuras, it reflects the internal battle of clarity versus confusion, love versus ego. Family patterns are not just habits, they are energy imprints in the subtle body. Kali's story, mantra, and form work as a complete healing circuit. Her image transforms subconscious fear. Her mantra clears blocked energy. Her sword represents viveka, the power to choose awareness over reaction. This is the yogic science of transformation, rooted in Vedic consciousness. Final blessing and invitation. Now that you've invoked Kali into your heart and home, breathe her presence in deeply. Know that the healing has already begun. In the coming days, you may feel old patterns surface. Don't fear them. Witness them. Let the mantra guide you through. Say this silently. May peace flow in my home. May fear dissolve. May love return. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Bow gently to the space before you. Thank you for walking this sacred path. Like, comment, and subscribe.